everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, we are going Melamchi today, which is 60 kilometer one way. It's 7:30 and our friend is there, and let's see what will happen. It is raining. We crossed the dhulikhel and dolalghat road. It's really raining and you can see the mist up there. Can you? Our friends are backside, so they are coming as well. It's really heavy raining. It was raining up there, and now I think down here we can see all the mist. You can see as well. Yeah, it looks nice though. Oh my god, you can't see front it. So we are at Pascal at the moment, and now I think 괰ᴜ𴀜 is not too far, and we are going to return from there.
Touch in with these because the guy got a little
all sand.
Yeah, they're silt. Silt is just fine sand, you know.
As you can see, we are in the Melamchi river. You can see backside is all the houses, like 2 stories houses, has gone in the mud. It's really bad. अहिलेसम्म यस्तो कहिले पनि भएको थिएन रे. फर्स्ट टाइम यहाँनिर मान्छेहरूलाई यस्तो समस्या भएको. 300 जना मान्छेहरू स्कुलमा गएर माथि एउटा स्कुल छ यता माथितिर स्कुलमा गएर बसेछ रे. तर धेरै गाह्रो, धेरै समस्या, धेरै नराम्रो, हेर्दाखेरि पनि एकदमै मन दुख्ने खालको समय छ यहाँनिर अहिले. In this side, most of the houses is three stories or something, and 1.5 or 2 stories has gone under the mud, you know. So only 1 stories or 1.5 is there that you can see. यस्तो गरेर हल्लिन्छ त्यहाँ भित्रबाट तल खल्छ भन्दा मरिहाल्छ. कहाँ मान्छे भेट्दैन किलो तल.
The old family was digging out boxes on the balcony for a while, stickers and
How many are missing?
I don't know.
There are 50 or something, I think.
From further up, none from here. Eh?
From Melamchi, but they probably mean Melamchi area.
I don't think the town lost anyone.
They actually found the bodies of 2 Indians and a Chinese.
That one is engineer, I think. Engineer, I think that one is.
The water project.
Yeah.
How far up is the water project dam? You know?
It's not far, is it? The water project? Just a
कस्तो माथिसम्म आएको के है.
धेरै डर लाग्दो सिचुएसन. मान्छे कसरी अब
We dug for the
we are still looking, and so much damage and lot of houses. Really, I don't know how people gonna survive, you know. It just makes me feel so sad because they are just digging those things out from the house, and they don't know who are missing, or, you know, it's really sad thing. I haven't seen, first time in my life I saw this happen.
Look at that bridge.
Yeah, look at that bridge. The old bridge has all swept away, and then backside the house, look at that house, you know, it's really bad. It's just covered with mud, all the things.
खोलाको तलबाट जानु मिल्छ. झन् झनै लड्या के. Oh, this is big bridge. Wow.
प्रकृतिको विपत्ति भनेर आउँदैन. त्यही भएर जहिले पनि हामी केयरफुल हुनुपर्छ. यो यस्तो हुन्छ भनेर यहाँको मान्छेलाई के थाहा. Nobody knew it would happen, you know. It's really a bad thing. रियलमा हेर्दाखेरि एकदमै डेन्जर, एकदमै भयावह भन्छ नि, एकदमै नराम्रो खालको मनमा एकदमै छुने खालको कुराहरू हुन्छन् कि यहाँ आएपछि. फोटोमा भिडियोमा अरूले भन्दाखेरि त्यस्तो नलाग्ला, तर तपाईँहरू आफै आएर हेर्नुभयो भने यहाँ एकदमै चिन्ता लाग्ने, एकदमै नराम्रो, मनलाई एकदमै धेरै चित्त दुख्छ यो हेर्दाखेरि. मान्छेलाई कति गाह्रो र कति समस्यामा परेको थियो यो बर्खाको समयमा यस्तो भएको छ भनेर त.
stop making coffee. We have 5 cups. Yeah, that's good.
Your uncle is a So guys, now we are heading back to Kathmandu from Melamchi Bazaar.